channel. Welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is how to make a continuity tester with buzzer and LED lights. This will be available in electrical shops, and a battery, 9 volts battery, only 20 rupees. This is the battery clip, and we need some wire and a soldering rod. Now start. See friends, this is the positive, this is the negative friends. Now I will solder these wires. See friends, minus wire, take minus wire friends, negative wire. See friends, now take the another negative wire of the battery clip friends. This is see friends, this is the battery. Connect the clip. See friends, it is working. Continuity testing means nothing but to check speakers, fans, these are working or not. Any trouble is there, it will not say indication like this. It is working friends. Now we have to extend this plus wire by this wire, because it will have no deficiency, because this is so small wire. Now connect these two wires friends. Take the soldering rod friends. Solder the wires by this. Like this friends. Take the tape. Just like friends. Cut the piece of tape. Now take the fiddle kit friends. This is. Turn back of the board. Here apply the Fevikwik and just fix it very tightly. Here also friends. Here. Just like add the tape friends and paste this. It will stuck in a few minutes friends. Now let's check it. this like you pull this like battery here fix. This is the friends continuity tester. Now I will check. See friends, it is working or not. Now we will check this baker, it is working or not. See friends. See friends, the speaker is working. We can say it is a metal detector also, because metal detector also this is my invention friends today's. See friends, see. I will make another type like this continuity with sensor. It will recognize the iron items like these iron items. In the next video I will make. Bye friends. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget, and if you like the video, like, share and enjoy. Bye friends.